You want a candle? It's my sister's shaking. It's like lava. Oh no, it's
The floor is lava. But it's not starting yet. Good.
Oh, I stepped in the lava, but it's not starting.
No. Anyways, let's get started. I think I just stepped in the lava. But no. Kenzie, come over here. Come over here. This is where the lava ground is. Okay, we have to escape. Okay. Okay, I think I know. Let me put that down. Oh my, kid, you have to step on this one. Okay. Okay, you're here. Now we have to start over. This is gonna be hard.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard because of the lava. And if we touch the lava, then we get burned.
Yeah. You almost got burned because you were on the broomstick. You weren't on the broomstick. Okay.
Guys, it's so scary. Stop falling. Now it's my turn.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna have to be careful.
Well.
Oh dear. I don't really care. I have to be.
You have to keep on making back. Okay. I'm touch the point. Okay. Okay, now I have to start over again. Kids, you can't watch this thing.
I have to get close.
Okay.
That was the lava. We're not very good at. I'm gonna get my checkpoint and then come on the checkpoint.
Okay. What's this? That's a train. Did you touch the wall? That's the checkpoint. Touch the wall over there.
That's a checkpoint?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait.
Come here,
The
guys.
checkpoint is where the lava come out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. We're on the balance beam. Pause the game. Unpause the game. Oh.
No, I will pause the game.
No, Kinsey, I already paused the game and then I unpaused it.
Okay, now we have to get down.
Oh my goodness, I'm on the balance beam. Which is the broom. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys.
Whoa.
Kinsey, you're too loud. Okay, now I have to make it back. How are me and Kinsey gonna make it back? We're stuck by each other. Okay.
I can hop on the big bed.
Oh yeah. And then come back. Okay, now you can go back. Okay, I'm on. My baby's
This is so crazy. This is so crazy. I just stepped on the lava button. Right, Camilla?
Yeah, the lava burned. The lava burned.
I think that hurts, right?
Yeah, it burned.
Okay, that's why we sprayed so much, right? Because it hurts. It's closer to me. I can't reach over that floor.
Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, how do we move this thing? Okay, try to come. Okay,
I made it. Now it's time for me.
the bean is tipping.
Guys, I'm over here. It's scary. It's scary because we're going to fall in the lava.
Kinsey, I'm about to touch the point again. That means more lava's gonna come. Oh no, I just took.
Hi.
Are we?
I'm falling.
Okay.
Don't take the check button anymore.
We have to.
Why?
Well, it's not gonna get you if you stay on the thing. Okay, I got this. I got this. Okay. Okay.
I'll move.
Okay, no. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Ready? You have to go that way again. Okay. Hurry up, go. The blanket's messed up.
I did it right.
Okay, spread it out. Yeah. Touch the point and we'll be gone. Okay.
There's more lava coming out.
Oh no, I need more lava. This is super scary. Gosh, okay, they were stuck together.
That hurts.
We're stuck in the middle. Okay, you're gonna hold my hand. Did you fall in love?
I fell. It was melted.
Okay, you almost melted, you said?
Yeah.
Pause the game. You can step on the floor now.
Okay.
I'm trying to move the slipper here so we won't fall anymore.
Okay.
I pause the game.
I have to get up here now.
Okay, I'm about to touch the clutch point again. I touched the point. Beep, beep, beep.
The phone almost fell in the lava. None of our stuff fell in the lava up here.
Okay. This one. Okay. Uh-oh. I need help. I need to help you. You're knocking every picture down. At least when I'm not on the lava, Kinsey, look.
I have to give it.
No, Kinsey, step on this one, not that one.
What?
The top one, this one. That's how you made stuff fall. Now walk across.
Okay. Oh, I'm making everything now.
Yes, you are. Okay, Kinsey, stop. Go on the top point. Go on the top point. Kinsey, go on the top point. Put your feet at the top. Okay. Now put your hands at the top. Now scoot over some. Now move to the bottom.
Okay.
Gosh, oh my goodness.
OMG. Remember when you took the pictures and I was a pro like standing on your head?
Okay, we're gonna have to move this thing closer. Okay, now there you go. Now stand on it.
Okay, you're gonna put my foot on there first. So now you have to pick all these pictures up because I can't. Only you pause the game so it won't come out on because now you can step on there now, right?
Pause the game. Okay, it's paused. I'll try to put everything back. I can't. Pause the game. Nope, stay back on there. Pause the game. You're gonna have to step on this book.
What is that on there?
I don't know, but step on it. Unpause. That's my. Alright. Kenzie, we're back together. Again. I'm gonna fall. Pause the game.
I'm gonna go pause the game, Dylan.
No, don't pause it. We're back on the beam. I'm back on the beam.
More lava coming up.
Oh, that's burning. I gotta. Oh no! Pause the game. Oh no! Don't pause the game.
Yeah?
My mom said step on the door. Okay, Tina. Okay, you stay on there. You stay on there. Okay, I'm there. Okay, now go. Okay, I'm about to touch the button again. Touch the button. There's more lava. You're a good balancer. I am not. Probably because my feet are big.
Now I have to make it back across.
Okay, this is just going back and forth.
Guys, this thing's just going back and forth.
We don't need this chair anymore.
Yeah, because we have a book. Step on
This
that.
is going to be your boost, Kinsey, so you can press the buttons up here. Okay. I'm going back to the stick. Okay.
Pause the game.
Don't pause it.
I'm
Down there is not lava.
pause the game.
Okay. Got it.
There's more lava going.
I know there is. It's coming up.
Okay, no, stay right there. I have to go off where you are. Stay. I want to be where you are. I'm gonna get down here.
Okay, now I'm gonna jump on this blanket and you jump onto here. Okay. No, jump on here. Ready? Ready? Okay. Now come on. Okay, good. Oh, my hands are on the
I have this right.
Okay.
Oh,
Kinsey, come over here by me. Come on, hurry up. Hurry, Kinsey. Hurry. Okay. Did you make it? Uh-huh. We are both about to touch the button. Kinsey, we lost something.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I touched the button. Now you gotta touch. It's gonna be more lava. Don't come on. Okay.
Come on now.
Yeah. Okay, I made it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to jump back down. 3. Ow. Back to the lava just burned me.
I'm up here. So then I'm not going to touch the floor, right?
Yeah. Good thing I'm not touching the floor. You can just do this and just walk on, okay? Or if you need my hand,
I need your hand.
made it.
Right.
Okay. Touch the button. Yeah. Oh no, we got farther. Oh, that was loud.
All right.
Oh, I have to jump on this thing, though.
If my mom calls, I'm gonna have to pause the camera.
Ow.
Ah, my foot. Okay. You can step on my foot. I'm about to jump. We added a new addition. We put a pillow down. Oh, sorry.
Yes, that's what we're going to bounce on.
Okay.
What is that?
Make up.
Cup of what?
Make it. Okay, no, that was it. I got fruits.
There you go.
Okay. Kinsey didn't pause the camera, guys. So I had to run back and pause the camera. So we're gonna come back because it's time for us to eat, and then we're gonna start on with the lava again. The floor is lava, and then I'm trying to do this. I'm gonna have to. Put this camera up too. I put all the things up, and then when it's lava time, we're gonna start it up again. So we're eating at our dinner table in my room. Look,
You think this is my side? You think this is Stone's side, but it's actually my side. And this is Stone's side. And look, I'm eating her food. No. And she's eating her own food. No.
guess what? My mom said I can eat whenever I want.
You can eat whenever you want to.
I can eat whatever, and I can eat whenever I want. Whenever. I can eat later. And I could eat snack later too. That's what she's talking about.
Hi guys.
She said whenever my body says I'm ready to eat. Not when the timer says I'm ready to eat. Remember she said that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry, I'm with the camera. Yeah, we're sitting in baby chairs like these ones. Look, sitting in these chairs.
Yeah,
I'm sitting in
Mom,
these chairs. That's
I'm
what-
old enough to sit in this chair, right?
I'm way too old to sing this chair. I'm about to turn 10.
I'm not turn this one, just bigger.
No, you're about to turn 5 and 4 months. She's about to turn 5 and 4 months.
That's a lot. That's big, right?
Did she? Before I started, before I even unpaused the video, she said,
This is juicy.
yeah, she said, this is juicy. Like as soon as well, after I unpause, no, before I unpause the video, like legit, like for real.
My tail just sticking up, right?
She said, this is juicy.
It is juicy, juicy, juice.
Mm.
Delicious chicken. Where are you about? Just be down the street?
He's gonna have to make it demonetized or something. You know what? Do you hear a YouTuber say demonetized?
No.
Nom 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 nom.
What? Remember when I ate this whole fry?
Yeah.
So I got lights down. Okay, everything up. Even this. No, look, I ate the bone.
You didn't.
Okay, look,
here's
I
my
didn't eat
napkin.
the bell.
I'm about to go get some more, and you can eat with Kinsey.
For what?
Show me how
Good. No. You stand up in Percy baby. watching him? Here he is. Now you're back to me. Tangle delicious. I'm not joking about that. But it is really good. Sesame tree. Sesame tree. It just looks big. It's pants. Does it do it? It's like pants.
Oh my, did you? I don't need something.
Here's the big thing. Look, I'll tell you first thing.
Oh, unpack.
We packed it.
There you go. Got more chicken?
I was doing like a baby.
Huh?
I was doing like a baby.
Like a baby?
This is how it's like a baby. You guys, look. It's really cute to my sister.
Yeah, it is. It feels like.
Yeah, so sloppy and she a baby just down exactly this.
Yeah, it should be between like.
Remember when you saw me chewing like that?
Mm-hmm.
You thought I was
In the
cute.
kitchen.
Yeah, you thought it was cute, so you was listening to it.
Mm-hmm.
Here, look, this is shorter because the one you can say, you can dig like that, right? That's my new word, right, Bill?
Wait, what's your new word?
Right?
Oh, yeah. Oh. I pooped myself when I was
I
eating.
burned that from Avery Alley.
Right?
Right?
If at least I was right.
Mm-hmm. She learned that from her dad.
Remember when I, well, you don't remember because you weren't born yet.
What?
Well, you were, but you were like a tiny baby.
What? Remember what?
You remember now because I told Mom. Remember when I used to say, "Are you serious?" Like this. Are you serious? No. Are you serious?
Are you serious, girl?
And Mom used to laugh.
Right?
No, she wouldn't laugh like that, but she would laugh like in her mom way. I don't know how my mom laughed.
I'm done.
I showed her a TikTok the day she laughed. I forgot how she laughed.
This is chicken. It's a chicken, right?
Mm-hmm.
And someone's test.
This dinner table is good. Right?
I'm just like, right into it. Now this is food coloring.
That's not fruit coloring. That's marker. We designed it. Wait, take your plates off of it. Our hands are messy. Well, I designed it by messing it all up. On this side, I don't know how. And your side is clean. Mine is all messy and dirty. Here's my dirty, disgusting napkin.
What's mine?
No, that's your. That's your dirty, disgusting napkin.
That's yours.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't use it though. Well, it's not disgusting.
You said disgusting. Anyways, these are the sippy cups. And the tops are on this side. Oh, yeah, your hands are dirty.
Oh, I ate them.
They have grease on it now. Anyways, go pick it up. Wait, no, not. I'm gonna do it. Oh, we're definitely gonna have to wash these dishes. Okay. But anyways, we have plates and forks and spoons and the bowls. We don't have to wash the sippy cups. We just have to wash the bowls and the spoons and the plates.
And
It's more on my side.
Now I need to scoot in so it can be more of both of our sides, right? Oh, now I can't put my knees back.
Do this, like my legs. Both my legs are spread out.
This is good.
It's more on your side now. Okay. Now it's more on my side now. Okay. Okay, there we go. It's probably because you leaned in. What's up? You're very, very It got so quiet.
It's only us now.
It's all of us.
Dad,
All three of us now. Or two.
or one. Or
No, I mean, it's all three of us, or four, or five, or five. Or, I said four. Okay. There might be two people watching this. There might be one. There might be three. There might have to be a whole group.
hi, everybody. Look, my sister, you have no shoes on. That's what your bare feet look like.
I do have slippers on. You don't.
What? And I fall.
Are you okay?
No. I'm scared, yes. I fell, though. Can you help me up? My leg is...
Oh my. Okay. Wait, put your chicken down. Now pick up your chair. I'm helping you without touching. I'm helping you without touching anything. Without touching anything here.
Couldn't then they just eat the ketchup, right?
Which is very disgusting. I don't like ketchup.
Why?
I don't know. It just tastes bad.
You are allergic to ketchup?
I'm not allergic to ketchup.
Here, taste it.
No, you didn't do this. Oh my goodness, she's doing this.
Good. Greasy. Greasy banana. Where did I get that word from?
When you were working yesterday, you were about to say that. That's where you got it from. When you were sitting on my bed and I was taking care of your baby. Daycare.
I was at the hospital.
The hospital. She was working at the hospital.
Well,
We were
I
playing
was
a game.
actually at the doctor's. I actually at the doctor, the 10 doctors.
Yeah, we were playing a game. And I was the daycare person.
And I was the doctor person.
I don't eat this part. You want it? There you go. You're welcome. Actually, you can actually have it. There you go. And this piece.
I can eat that.
Oh.
But you have to wash it.
No. Excuse me.
What?
I just burped.
Good.
You like it? Let me have one piece of this.
Let's get more food, right? And yeah, really good. Food on my name, but your daughter doesn't like it. And get whatever she wants, like McDonald's.
What, my eyes? I was like,
McDonald's. Go here and get some McDonald's.
look at this. That's the inside of. That's what the inside of a bone looks like. That's what the inside of a bone looks like. Actually, you can't really see it, but if you're eating chicken or if you have chicken, go eat the chicken and then crack open the side of the bone, and then you're gonna see some brown stuff, I think.
It's in the chicken. I don't like this part.
The brown parts.
I don't like that.
1 sec. Is there a piece of bone in here? Yes, I think. No.
Picked up the bone?
No.
No bone in here?
No. I think. Anyways, I'm done.
Don't wait.
I'm not gonna leave. I'm just gonna get my napkins, wipe my hands off.
And stay right here. No, I think there is a book because you're right here. It can't come out.
If you feel it, just spit it out. I have this tiny itty bitty bowl. I'm glad because if we had plates, then we would be trying to be like, wait, my plate goes first, and then my plate goes second, and then my plate goes third. I just noticed something.
What?
Probably if you push the bowl down and it's flat, it will probably turn into a plate. Right. But it won't go flat. I don't want to like pop up. Okay, we're done. We gotta. Are you chewing it slowly because you don't want to get the bone or something?
No, the bone's in here.
Cynthia, guess what? Remember when Spot ate a bone? And he did it on his favorite carpet. It's still here. But he's gone.
Yeah.
So his real owner is our auntie, Trinell.
Yeah, it's actually Mom's sister though.
Our auntie. And our cousin is coming on next Friday. He lives in Texas. My goodness, I'm so
And then
excited.
you know we're going for Christmas, right?
Percy's going to Hawaii for Christmas. He's only going to go to Hawaii. And Mom's going to take a mom trip. And we're going to stay home. And then we are going to go on our own trip.
Nobody here, right?
Oh, well, Mom's going to come with us or something. There was a napkin here the whole... Oh, come on, guys. I did not know this. You need this because I'm not wiping anything off. Oh, yeah. Did you just put that on my plate? Girl, why did you put that on my plate? Okay, let's go throw this away. Okay, I'm back. Mackenzie's back.
You flew everything day.
Okay, now what are we gonna do?
We can play Force Lava.
Yes.
I'll get the book out.
Okay.
Oh, you get it. I'll help you get on.
I'll move the tripod.
You get the other stuff too, right?
Mhm.
I'll help you.
Hold on.
Don't
I need to
leave
move.
the- Don't leave the chair.
We need to move the mini table.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Our mini table is gonna be over here.
I got this thing.
Over there. Where the button is. How am I gonna do this stuff? No, the mini table's gonna stay over. No. Don't put it right there on the baby's bed.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it over there. Wait, 3, 2. Okay. I'm coming.
I can get the chair. I can get the chair's hand. The chair's hands are up here. Now I need to come up here with the chair's
Can I
hand.
get one?
And you hold the chair's hands because the chair's only like when you hold their hand.
Can you hold their hand?
There you go. I'm sorry. Take this away. Sorry, big girl.
Oh, this is a good spot to eat. Next time I'm gonna sit up by the wall, okay? Since you set that wall over there. Next time we eat or snack. Whoa! I'm gonna do that. Let me try it out first. You don't need that to first. Okay. Oh. Where's the camera? Oh. Okay, there's the camera. Oh, was trying out the things to see if it would work. Because I don't remember how to put it. So like this, then this, then the blanket. How are we gonna climb up here though? I think I know. You cannot sit down. Oh, I think I know now. Why am I talking like this? Okay, that's why. Okay. So Kenzie, watch. You're gonna just jump on here, then do this. This can do that, and then that. Kenzie, look, we're gonna do this, and then step up here, and then. Oh, what was that?
This way.
And then you're going to. Oh, you're not gonna sit down. You're gonna do this. You're gonna step right here. You see me? I'm stepping right here, and then you're gonna have to walk back onto here. And then you have to walk over here first. But I didn't do that because you were still walking. No, not right there. Onto, okay, fine, you can be right there. But you have to be very careful not to make things fall.
Okay. Oh, this is a good spot to hang out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa!
The pause button is, the unpause button is about to start. Then maybe start over here though.
Okay. And I already made something throw.
Step on there, don't step on the floor. Wait, don't get on the bed yet. Okay, now come. Okay, I'm about to set the button.
I'm gonna pop.
It's right here. It's unpause me.
I'm gonna unpause it. I'm gonna make some more lava. You unpause it.
Okay, it started.
You unpause it. I'm gonna put some more lava. Now, no lava's in there. Now there is.
Okay. Mackenzie, you have to walk in.
No.
Okay.
I think that's just the air.
I'm just gonna try to do how Kim was doing. Okay, made it.
I'm scared that it goes down. Now I'm not.
Ow. I heard it. Oh no, we're stuck on the same book. I'm making more lava. Make more lava. We're taking a shortcut. Oh! Yeah. One. We can help you.
So. I don't more lava's coming in.
Okay, we need to light on because it's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
But the game is not unpaused. Okay. Go.
It's gone. It's unlocked now.
Okay. It's unpaused.
More lava for it now. There's not lava on the break in now, right? So that's why we have the slime monster.
Yeah, I'm trying to move this book back on the floor. Kids, you're not actually going to climb right there anymore. We're going to sit right here and then start over.
Dangerous one?
No, you're not going to climb. Okay. Making more lava.
Making some more lava too. I'm gonna try to get stuff back to the.
Oh, what did you just do?
I fell.
Try to put something back there.
I'm gonna press the button.
You have to press the button right there. That was a chair.
Why is that door like that? Window like that?
Here's the button. Like that. If you can. Try to do it right now. Oh, right here. The button's right there. Okay, go reach it.
I'm gonna step on your purse for you, Dylan. And I have to.
So the purse is part of the thing. Okay.
Your mom's coming out.
Okay. We will.
Are you okay? Well, the purse will be for me too. No, I'm gonna scoot the purse closer. Because I can't reach that far. I'll take it. To get out, get out. Get out.
You were already burned, halfway burned.
Yeah, I'm happy.
No need to climb, Kenzie. You just step on here.
Good thing I didn't touch it.
This is like a shortcut, and then you just have. But that's all cheating. So no. Did I touch the baby? Okay. Okay, that's a burn. I already have kind of burn.
I made it.
Do you need help getting over here? Wait a second. Okay, this is hard. You're jumping along. Okay, go in there. Pause the game.
Okay.
Okay, now go back.
I paused the game, Dylan. I know where it is, but it needs to pause it.
No, there's no more pausing the game, okay?
I pressed on the button.
Sharpen it.
Remove the camera from back. Okay, Big Kid, you need to subscribe to our channel because our channels are the best. So subscribe to our channel and subscribe to my channel. I make some videos. Prissy does it because she's a Rudolph. We have a special book. Ayo. It's called Ayo. Telling them what the book is called Ayo. And they have
Don't put it back. We have to start over. The game is about to be on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, no more getting on the bed.
Just get on the bed.
I'm gonna go now you see what we were working on. Oh no, we're stuck. Okay, no, I'm not. Okay.
I'm a good bouncer, right?
is
Lava. I just told you not to. I don't like it if I don't care if I step on the
you
floor.
don't jump, okay? Just walk on it. Oh no, you're stuck. Okay, I got it. More lava.
I'm here. I'm glad that got me.
Oh wait,
I'm making it everywhere. I have to press it in my face. Maybe it's over here. Yeah. Maybe over here again. I need a break. Well, I need a break.
okay, go pause the camera.
It's the red button. Oh, my camera is
Okay, say I'm Minnie Kinsey. I'm Millie Dillon.
I'm Millie Dillon.
She's me.
I copy whatever you do.
Okay, no. It's now you're too loud. Alright, the game is started again.
We're both on now. As you may know me, guys, I'm assuming
Okay, let's just go on to the
next.
If you look at one at the drop you, you're about to fall.
And sometimes I can't stop. As you already know me, I'm actually kidding.
It doesn't have to be all the way. Oh, you want to take it off?
She's sad.
That means she wants to come with me. Okay, ready? Go press the button.
Don't worry, it's more lava. The only trick to stay is right now at the same thing, so the lava will get you, right? The lava will push you up so you can get on it, right?
Oh no, the lava, if you push up even more, then you go all the way up to the bottom. That means you have to go faster. Okay, come. I pressed. Actually, no, we're pressing the button.
Why?
I don't know, but there's some. What's that noise? You hear the noise? You hear it?
Weird. I'm not sweating. I said I'm sweating, but I'm actually not. Did you see that?
Look at this. Oh my, this is a big jump. Okay, we're gonna have to move that closer. Okay. Why do you move my slipper?
Oh. She likes
Okay,
she likes
come back.
She likes getting on your head.
My neck.
On your neck, I mean.
Yeah. I'm stepping on the lines of the purse. Okay, we should probably end this here. Let's both go onto the bus. Actually, stay right
back next time. Peace.